Hello, welcome again to the next session of Basic Furniture. My name is Serge Girimbabazi.
Herewith, Habineza Michel. We are trainers at Rubenja Tiveti School.
In the previous session, we managed to assemble our sideboard.
Let's proceed with producing doors as part of sideboard.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Habimana Gabriel Devota, a trainer at Rubenja Tiveti School. Today you have a first session about how to make a sideboard. The objectives of this session is that you will be able to prepare well timbers for making a door. The second one is that you will be able to make a panel for door. Let's follow well and even take some notes because we will need them for more repetition. Before you start the selection of materials, first of all, you have to do wood catalog. Wood catalog mainly have 8 elements such as pieces, position, description, length, width, thickness, the kind of wood you are going to use, even comment. When you reach on length, width, and thickness, here you are going to show the dimension. And remember that in carpentry, mainly we use millimeters. So when you reach in length and width, even thickness, you have to specify that you are going to use millimeters. And when you reach in comment, you have to make sure that everyone who will use this wood catalog will understand where the comment. For example, if your pieces will be cut on angle, you have to put the angle you are planned in your comment. After preparation of pieces, the following step is to make a panel. In making panel, we need wood glue, brush to apply it, clamps for holding together the pieces, and water to clean leftover of glue. While gluing, do not forget to use protecting pieces. Before you start to make panel, first of all, you have to arrange where your pieces. Means you have to follow the direction of annual rings. Because when the annual rings look in the same direction, the panel can bow easily. So you have to arrange the pieces following the direction of annual rings. Means you have to arrange annual rings in different direction. Arrange all pieces following the direction of annual rings. After arranging all pieces following annual rings, you have to draw or to mark carpenter's triangle to prevent that you can mix pieces that can affect our pan. Put all pieces together and apply glue on edges. Return each piece in its original position. Put straight piece of wood below and above the pieces you are going to laminate, and put clamps, but don't cross them too much to put all pieces on the same level. Fix clamps to the sides. After fixing all clamps, then is the time to clean leftover of glue. After gluing and cleaning leftover of glue, the remaining is to wait between 30 minutes and 1 hour so that glue can dry well. After that glue is dried, the next is to put our panel on final dimensions. Measure the thickness of panel in order to know the adjustment you put in the machine to reach the final thickness you need. Measure the width of panel to make sure that it will pass through the machine. Cut on final dimension with circular saw, and the planned side should touch on the cutting fence. After putting panel on the final width thickness, the following is to cut panel in length. First, you have to cut one edge to make it straight, and then the cutted side should touch on cross-cutting fence where you adjusted measurements. While cutting, you have to hold the panel and make sure that it straightly touch on fence. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.